Right, morning everyone, just a quick kit update. Received me Osprey 58 at the weekend, so we're getting slightly closer to that first wild camp. Just going to run through a few things that I've been getting. Please tell me if you think I've missed anything out. I'll try and get everything. Most things, well, everything's in dry bags, so I'm going to just keep them in the dry bags. I'll tell you what's in them just to save a bit of time. Quite liking the bag, plenty of pockets. Just obviously get my water on, hydration bladder at the back. Pockets on the straps, ideal for putting little bits of goodies in. Here we go. So on the top, I'm going to have me food, just a couple of bags of Wayfarer. Millet's had a bit of an offer on yesterday. You buy one, you get one half price, so it was like £7.5 for the two of them, which wasn't so bad as usual, nearly a £5 a piece. Got a map, my compass is in there, where I'm going. Some little baby wipes there. In this bag, this little pair of binos that I have, a bit of wildlife watching when we're out and about. Right, so everything's in dry bags. Waterproof jacket, waterproof leggings, spare hat and gloves in there, or just to reach. Nice and handy. So I've got my bottle there. So in the underside top pocket, got some little hand warmers, Kendal mint cake, a spare lighter. So here's my sleep mat. It's just a cheap one from Cotswold. Got it for the boys, Duke of Edinburgh. It's been used once. I'll give it a try, see what it's like. You know, I know it's cold still, but keeping the costs down. Got my jet boil in there, tea and coffee, stuff like that, spare gas, knives and fork. The first aid kit's in there as well, just to keep it dry. My spare down Hagloff jacket, nice little piece of kit that one, had that for a few years. Bag of toiletries, toothbrush, you know, the usual stuff, what you need for the overnighter. In this one I've got a lot of spare dry clothes and thermals I'll put on the night, spare socks, spare top, spare t-shirt, trousers, they're in there. A little mat just for, you know, setting up, sitting on, having a brew. This is my tent. I've never really used it in anger. It's been used in the back garden about 3 years, 4 years maybe. Very minimal wear on it. Storm Shield Ultralight. I've not heard of them. It seems to be okay, so it'll do for me. I've put everything in dry bags because obviously I've been watching a few videos on the YouTube, and it's essential that you keep your gear dry. So I've been getting a few of these bags. The Carrymore ones, dead cheap, 4 or 5 quid, Sports Direct, as opposed to these more expensive Exped ones, and they seem very similar in quality, you know, so, but it'll keep everything dry. There we go, the bottom pocket, so at the very bottom you've got the rain cover that's sort of built in. I've got my whistle, in the front pocket I can stuff stuff in. My mug. I can try and get this open. So I've got survival tin, I've also got my head torch, a normal LED torch, spare batteries, stuff like that. Forgot to mention there's tea and coffee in there. I will be bringing some extra stuff along with that other food, you know, Mars bars, sweet sugary rush stuff for the quick fix. Sawyer's filtration system, just a little windshield for the stove. Now I've got this little bivvy bag. Toying on the idea of to put that underneath the tent as an extra layer for the cold. See what people think. What do you think? I've also got this one really light, off the car windscreen. Put that under the sleeping bag as well, obviously for a bit more insulation. I haven't mentioned my sleeping bag. That's just here. It's in a pillow, just trying to keep it nice and fluffed up. I'll put it in its little sack and dry sack when I'm ready to take it on that first trip, which possibly could be this weekend. The forecast isn't looking too good. Don't really want to go if it's going to be wet when I'm putting the tent up and wet when I'm getting up. I don't mind one of the other either side, but we'll see. But you know, this BBC weather's like, it changes up and daily. The other problem I've got is I like the photography, so I've got my Canon 6D in its own little bag. Get all your batteries and stuff in, and my filter holder. Can't get all my filters in, but it's obviously extra weight. I'm up to about, with water and everything, about 14 kilos. I didn't really want to go much above that. I don't know what people think with the weight wise. You know, this will probably be 1.5, no, maybe 1 with all its filters and stuff. So it's an extra bit of weight. But yeah, there we are. That's us ready for the first wild camp. So please follow me along, subscribe if you like, and we'll be hitting the road very soon.